Hey guys, this is JC here with another video for you. Happy 2018. This is my very first video of the year. I apologize for not being here before, but here I am. And what am I going to do today is just share with you a new tripod that I got. I know what you're thinking. I have too many tripods, but hey, a girl can never have enough tripods to walk around with her vlogging camera. And this is why I would like to introduce to you. It's not a new tripod, but it is new to me. I've decided to purchase the Manfrotto Pixi Evo, and I am going to show you how this tripod works and why I am so happy with it. As you can see, I already unboxed it. It's very easy to open, and you also have some folders inside, which shows you everything that the tripod can do. There is also a sort of, I think it's a sort of a warranty folder. And here you have some basic instructions on how to use your tripod. As you can see, it has here the name Manfrotto, which is a fantastic brand. And it does have some buttons on the legs. And what do they do? As you guys know, last year I made a video about mini tripods that I own. And this is one of my collections. It's the Pixi Mini by Manfrotto. This is a very popular tripod among vloggers because, as you can see, it's very compact and it's very easy to handle. It also has a small ball head with a release button. So once you push this button, you can actually move the head around. So when you're moving around with your camera, you can adjust the camera to the position you want and makes it easier for you to use. But why did I decide to go for this now? Well, as you can see, the size of the tripod, if we put them together, as you can see, the Pixi Mini is quite mini, and this is a little bit taller and cuter, in my opinion. It also has a bigger ball head, but the release button, it's like a turning button. So it's not like pushing, but you can turn it. You see, and there you go, it releases. Very nice ball head. And also the plate that you attach to the camera has a wheel for you to adjust it. The other thing that this tripod does is that, as you can see, these buttons here on the legs, once you push the button, they extend. Look at that. And that makes it a bigger tripod. So as you can see here, once you put them next to each other, look at that. This is so tiny and this is almost gigantic next to this one. So that means when you need a little bit more height when placing your camera somewhere, this will actually help. And also when you close those legs, it will work as a selfie stick. So if you place your camera here, you have a little more room to manage your camera. Let's see how it looks with the camera on. So here's my EOS M6, my favorite vlogging camera, and we're gonna set it up on the tripod so you can see how easy it is. Here we have the base plate, and as you can see, my camera is set up in a way that I can carry the Rode Video Micro on the side, so I can get much better sound. And as you can see, my setup is a little bit complicated, but I have a plate. This plate here is a plate designed for the M5, but I had to ask a friend to cut a little piece here so I can have the use of the battery. So as you can see, the battery works perfectly. And under it, I have another piece of gadget, another plate. I made a video about this plate, so if you want to know how I got it, please watch that video because you can get one too. So I attached the plate to the other plate, and then now I have a little space on the side to put the microphone. This makes the perfect vlogging setup. And now let's attach it to the tripod. As you can see, here is the plate, and all I have to do is just put the camera on top and just rotate this wheel, and there we go. So here I have the camera on the tripod, and as you can see, it looks quite stylish. They have an all black tripod, but I love this one because it's like a dark gray with this a touch of red, which also matches the cable of my microphone. Oh god, that's so girlish, but I love it. Look at that. It looks so stylish, and if I need to put the windscreen, all I have to do is attach it here, and there you go. And when I need a little more space between me and the camera, all I have to do is just extend those legs, and voila! Here is my vlogging setup. Let's turn it a little bit, and look at this. This is fantastic. I love it. And here is my screen, as you can see. So I have a screen, I have a microphone, I have the perfect tripod, and I'm a happy girl. Another interesting feature on this tripod is this switch right here. As you can see, it has two positions. You have this, which is the normal position, and then once you switch it this way, the tripod can open completely and almost flat. Look at this. So when you place it on a table or any other surface, you have this very low angle to use with your camera, and with the help of this adjustable ball head, you can have all the positions and angles that applies to what you're doing. Price-wise, this is not so much more expensive than this one. The difference is very little, and obviously your choice will depend on what you're going to use it for. I think for vloggers, the Mini Pixi is very handy, very sturdy, small, compact. It fits in your pocket, in your purse, so you can always have it with you. The Pixi Evo is a little bigger, but still also very light, and when you close those legs, again, it's not that big. Look at that. This can fit in your purse, maybe in your jacket pocket, but because it's so lightweight, you won't even know that you have it there. Well, I'm very happy with this tripod so far. I love changing tripods on my camera because it's almost like a fashion statement. Sometimes I just want to see my camera looking different, and using a different tripod will make the difference. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content in case you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!